Hello and welcome to my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I had a custom polish made for me and 3 other friends. I start off with the peel off base coat. I'm now applying my custom polish that was made by Toxic Nails called diva'z. I applied 2 coats to make it fully opaque. I am now applying my cuticle barrier to protect my cuticles from stamping. I apply my polish to the image that I want to stamp. I roll my stamper to pick up the image. I now line up and stamp the image onto my nails. Now I peel off my liquid latex. I use an angled brush and acetone to clean up around my cuticles. I now apply my fast drying top coat and sealing my design. I apply my cuticle oil and massage in.